Okay, I'm a little short on battery here, so I'm going to try to hustle. This is the segment addition postulate, okay? Write the segment addition postulate. The segment addition postulate says, if B is between A and C, then the distance from A to B plus the distance from B to C equals the distance from A to C. If you drew this segment out, you've got A, B, and C. Now remember, between is not middle. Between is not middle. We talked about that. Middle is midpoint. Between just means on the same line, collinear with, in between. Okay? So that's a segment addition postulate. No symbols above mean that it's distance. This is AB, it means the length of AB, the distance from A to B. Okay, there's no symbol above it. It's not a line or array or segment. So let's look at the first one, JK. Just kidding. No, actually, we will look at it. That was a bad joke. So we have somebody from Pets visiting us in this video. You know, we got to keep up with the... I am so tired right now. I am putting strange things in the video. So hope you're enjoying it. All right, so next we've got this. All right. I know that I want to find the length of JK. Well, what do I see here? I have a piece JK. I have a piece KL. And I have a piece JL. What do I know about this picture? Well, I know that the green and the blue added together is going to equal the purple, right? So JK plus KL is going to equal JL. So I'm going to set up the equation accordingly. So I've got JK is 3x minus 4 plus KL, which is 5x. That's the whole thing. That's green plus blue is going to equal 12x minus 16. So here's where we start solving the equation using our wonderful algebra skills. So I'm going to combine like terms. So I've got 3x and 5x, which is 8x minus 4 equals 12x minus 16. Okay. Now let's get all the variables on one side and the numbers on the other. So I'm going to subtract the 8x from both sides. So that leaves me with negative 4 equals 4x minus 16. Again, this is just algebra. If you need to slow it down a little bit, you can. Then I'm going to add the 16 to both sides. So I get 12 equals 4x. Sorry, I'm kind of running into the constructions area because that's what happens. That's what cool people do. And then my last step is I'm going to divide by 4. So x is 3. Now x is 3, but I don't want x. I want JK. JK is 3x minus 4. Ooh, it's raining outside. So I'm going to plug in the 3 for the x. Does everybody see that? We're going to come up here and happy little x is going to go in there. 3 is going to go in there. So 3, let's make sure you guys can see this. 3x, which is 3 times 3, minus 4 gives me 9 minus 4, sorry, 9 minus 4, which is 5. So JK equals 5. And that's how you do the segment addition postulate on that one. Now let's look at the neighboring question, which is the word problem. Always draw the picture first, guys. Always draw the picture first. So D is between V and M. So I know that D is in here between these 2 points, V and M, right? Okay. DM is 6x. The distance from D to M is 6x. Everybody see that? Okay, that's 6x. VM equals 8x plus 14. So this whole distance is 8x plus 14. DV is 10x minus 18. So now I have a way to set up an equation. I know that dV plus dm equals Vm, because that's the segment addition postulate, okay? So this guy plus this guy is going to equal this guy. So 10x minus 18 plus 6x equals 8x plus 14. Okay? So now I'm going to combine like terms. I got 10x and 6x, which is 16x minus 18 equals 8x plus 14. Again, I'm just doing algebra now. I'm not doing any like special tricks or anything. So now I'm going to move the 8x. So 16x minus 8x gives me 8x minus 18 on this side equals 14. Again, I'm running out of a little bit of space here. And my son is yelling for me. So then I'm going to add 18 to both sides. So 8x equals 32. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 8. So x is equal to 4. But I want to find x, which is 4, and Vm. Well, what's Vm? Vm is 8x plus 14. So I'm going to take that x and I'm going to plug it in right there. So 8 times 14 plus 14. And I have to think 80 and 32, 112 and 14, 126. So it's 120. Wait a minute, why did I plug in 14? This is what happens when you're tired. What should I have plugged in? 4. So 8 times 4, is 32, plus 14 is 46. I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's raining outside. Long day. So anyway, that is the review portion for the segment addition postulate.